Do you need wedding planning consultants? Pros, cons, and what to expect. Planning a wedding is a magical journey, one filled with anticipation, decisions, and unforgettable memories. Yet for many couples, navigating the endless options and tight timelines can quickly become overwhelming. This is where wedding planning consultants step in, turning stress into structure and dreams into reality. A wedding planning consultant is more than just a professional organizer. They are experienced guides, offering creative ideas, budget management, vendor connections, and seamless coordination. Whether you're dreaming of a beachside elopement or a grand ballroom affair, their expertise ensures every detail aligns with your vision. One major advantage is time savings. With work, family, and social commitments, couples often lack the hours needed to research vendors, compare quotes, and manage logistics. Consultants handle these tasks with efficiency, allowing you to focus on meaningful moments rather than spreadsheets and schedules. Their industry knowledge often leads to exclusive deals and trusted recommendations that would otherwise be difficult to access. Additionally, on-the-day coordination is a critical service. While you're walking down the aisle or enjoying your first dance, your consultant is behind the scenes, resolving last-minute challenges, keeping vendors on schedule, and ensuring your timeline runs smoothly. This peace of mind is invaluable. However, hiring a wedding planner isn't always necessary for every couple. If you have a small guest list, a straightforward venue, or a natural knack for planning, you may find that a full-time consultant is more than you need. In such cases, consider hiring a day of coordinator instead, which offers many benefits without the full cost. Budget is another factor. Full-service planners can be a significant investment, so couples must weigh this cost against the value they provide. The key is finding a planner whose style, communication, and services match your expectations and needs. To decide if hiring a consultant is right for you, ask yourself a few honest questions. Do you have the time, patience, and organization skills to plan the entire event? Do you feel confident negotiating with vendors and building a cohesive timeline? If not, a consultant could be the best decision you make, after saying yes, of course. Still wondering if a wedding consultant fits your needs, or have you already worked with one and have insights to share?